Good day, ma'am. My name is Aldrin Mapando. I am the third reporter of Chapter 4 Probation. So, the one who introduced the probation bill for the second time on January 11, 1909, U.S. Congressman Samuel Walker of Massachusetts introduced uh, the one who introduced probation bill in the U.S. Senate at the 61 Congress to provide for probation by U.S. Senator Robert T. Owen of Oklahoma. She is the next considered probation to expensive in 1912. He expressed himself as the favorable only to a properly guarded probation act by U.S. Attorney General George W. Wickersham. So this for attorneys general who succeed Attorney General Wickersham also continued the strong anti-probation influence established in the Department of Justice. The four attorneys, Attorney General James Clark McReynolds and Gregory Alexander Mitchell Palmer and Harry M. Doherty. Uh, he also campaigned for probation first in 1909 and reached its final stage when it introduced again the bill on December 12, 1923 by U.S. Senator Royal A. Copeland. So he sponsored in the House of Representatives. The bill was introduced by Senator Copeland. It was finally signed into law by President Coolidge by U.S. Congressman George H. Graham. So, important is a member in American history and probation. In 1785, birth of John Augustus and June 21, 1859, date of John Augustus. 1880, Cardinal Tufts, director of the Massachusetts Board of State Charities, reported in an address that the result of probation in case of juvenile offenders proved so decisively good. So in April 26, 1878, the first probation law was passed by the legislature of Massachusetts and signed by Governor Alexander H. Rice. In 1897, Massachusetts became the I state to enact and adopt parole of convicted person law. In 1898, Vermont became the second state to enact a real probation law. In 1899, Rhode Island followed as the third state of enact a real probation law, a complete state administered system offered first here. Minnesota and Illinois enacted laws giving probation service to children only. So in 19 New Jersey joined the other states as the fourth state to pass a general probation law after the New England model. Also, New York became the fifth state to provide for adult probation. In 1903, the California Adult was enacted. After that, the same law in New York. In the same year, two other states enacted general probation laws, Connecticut and Michigan. So in 1905, Maine enacted a probation law for Cumberland County in Portland and a statewide law in 1909. So 1907, Indiana and Kansas enacted adult or general probation law. In 1908, Ohio enacted adult or general probation laws. January 11, 1909, the first probation bill was introduced at the 60th Congress, seconded by Representative uh, McCall of Massachusetts. In June 18, 1909, Senator Robert T. Owen of Oklahoma introduced a Bill of Rights, a bill in the U.S. Senate at the first session of the 61st Congress to provide probation. So 1909, campaign for probation started in Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska, North Dakota, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. And 1910, 19 states had laws for adults as well as children.